I'm Dave Moretti from Firefly Integrations. Today we're going to talk about some basic troubleshooting for touch switches in your coach. The first step is you come back to your coach. Maybe it's after a long period of time. Your coach has been in storage for the winter. You press a button and nothing happens. First step is pull this straight out from the wall. We're going to replace the CR2032 battery in the back with a new one. Push that firmly in. And we can verify that the battery is good because there's a green LED light that momentarily lights on this switch. If that doesn't fix your problem, go to the gear icon settings page and then tap on switch panel info. Choose the switch you wish to pair. These pair wirelessly to the screen. It's a good practice to press clear first. Press and hold that to clear the old pairing, and then press start pairing. Once you press start pairing, you'll have about 30 seconds to press two buttons on the switch, and you can take it to your touch screen. This is convenient if you have a switch in the bathroom or something else that you want to pair. Press two buttons, and when it says done, you take your switch and press it firmly back onto the wall bracket. Do it straight and you won't break anything, but it does take a little bit of force to get it onto the wall bracket. That keeps it from coming off while you're traveling down the road. Hope this helps. Thank you very much.